Hey, it's Shay with Love and Nappiness, and I want to come by and just tell y'all about my Sisterlock consultation and my 2 weeks with my Sisterlocks. So if you're interested in hearing about that, then definitely stay tuned. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. So I had my Sisterlock consultation on December 20th, 2017. I was very fortunate enough to not have to shop around for consultants because the same person I've been going to for the past year and a half received her certifications, and she went through the training process to become Sisterlock certified. And so I didn't even have to interview anybody. I think I would have totally been a mess if I had to find a consultant from scratch. You're going to these different interviews and you're meeting with people trying to see if your personalities click, and it would have been too stressful for me. So I'm so happy someone I was very comfortable with, someone who already knew my hair, and since we've been having a relationship for the past almost 2 years. So happy that she was able to still be my Sisterlock consultant. She actually installed my first set of locks that I combed out. If you want to hear about the history, if you want to just see all that stuff, you can definitely check out previous videos that I posted from the start of my first lock journey. I arrived with clean hair and she got straight to it. She put some testers right here and she put a few here because I have a slightly different curl pattern from the front to the back. So she put like 12 here and 4 here. That, it took a little while to put in, but it went by rather quickly. One thing I was kind of shocked by or confused or just a little like, what, really, like that, about was that I would have to go in 2 weeks later for the assessment and then schedule a different date for the actual establishment. And all the other videos I've seen on YouTube, people go straight to, that day they're looking at the Sisterlocks, the assessment date, straight into the establishment. So it's not a separate appointment. So, but she has a separate appointment for the takedown of the Sisterlocks, assessment of the Sisterlocks, and then you have to schedule your establishment after that. But it was cool because I definitely understand the way she works. The day of establishment, she wants to be completely clear, completely free, and completely mentally focused on that task. So as you can see, I don't have testers in anymore. I will insert some footage in a little bit about my loose natural hair and also the wash process. Because I cheated. I'm telling you, I cheated, y'all. I was told to wash my hair twice before the assessment date, which was January 11th. But I get high anxiety about washing my hair. It's been about 3 years since I've washed my hair, and because I just can't mentally do it anymore. For 7 years of being natural, the first 4 years I completely finger detangle, finger comb, finger everything, and now my hair is so long and so thick and matted at the roots all the time that I just get anxiety just thinking about having to wash my hair. So having to wash it twice, I was like, no, this is not happening, right? So what I did was just wash the locks. At the assessment, she didn't notice anything because she was only focusing on the locks. So it really didn't make a difference whether I washed my entire hair or not. So good suggestion. Definitely do that. I think I just spit all on the lens, y'all. Did you subscribe yet? She took out the tester. She decided on a pattern. I believe I have the same, gonna be the same all the way around my head because I had the ones in the back and the front. So she chose the same pattern all the way around my head. She said the name of it, but I don't remember, like forward, reversal, something, I don't know. I start my establishment actually tomorrow. So I am super excited and super late with this video, obviously. But January 14th is my establishment date. Because of all my hair, I was measured at 12 to 13 inches of hair and extremely full. Scheduled for 5 days of install. I have the longest and thickest hair that she's done so far. I will be her 4th head. And she did, like, on average she completes it in like 2 to 3 days, but she didn't have anyone longer than like 6 inches of hair. So with 12 inches, almost 13 inches of hair and extremely full, we just planned out 5 days just to be safe. We're gonna hit it hard. So January 14th to January 18th is the date that I'm going in to get my hair done. It's gonna be like 8 to 10 hour days. It's a marathon. We have a bunch of movies loaded, a bunch of TV shows, Netflix, and Sisterlocks, you know, so we're definitely going to spend a lot of time together over the next few days. But I love her. She's everything. Hopefully I could get to her on camera a little while just to talk to y'all, just to see, like, show y'all who I'm working with, you know. But I think that's all I had. I will include pictures and videos where I can of the actual process that I'm going through. I will take 1.5 million video pictures because I'm so excited about this and I'm so excited to share it with y'all. So if you are on your Sisterlock journey, definitely leave me some love down below because I am joining y'all really soon. Leave me a fleur-de-lis. It's the little, I'll insert a little picture right here. But leave me that emoji, y'all, to let me know that y'all here. I'm from New Orleans, so that's the New Orleans symbol. So that's what I want y'all to leave on the videos, please, just to send love and patience and endurance and everything else I need for this establishment process. But again, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. I love Sisterlocks. I love other Sisterlock. So if you have a channel that I'm not already subscribed to and mad comment on all your videos, definitely let me know down below because I want to follow your journey as well. So I think that's it, y'all. Again, I am Shay with Love and Nappiness, and see you on the Sisterlock side.